What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. So I'm sure all of you have heard the news that the ETFs have been approved. See that article last week? It was FUD. That's what the whales do. They create fear. The price drops. They buy, get it a little bit cheaper before the ETFs get approved, and price goes back up. So we're approved on 11 spot ETFs. I'm not going to get too into it because the news was released yesterday. SEC approves 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs with trading likely to start tomorrow, which is today. So tons of institutional money will be flowing into crypto. And overall, it's a really positive thing, especially in the long run. There'll be less fear from these massive financial firms to invest and trade cryptocurrency, which is great for the overall price in the long term. So we're sitting at 47K. We're up 3.2 on the day. See a market cap of 922 billion. Mass adoption just continues and continues and continues. So we love to see it. 24-hour volume, 52 billion. I keep posting in my IG, like this is the greatest, crypto is the greatest investment opportunity that we'll see within the next 100 years. Don't sleep on it. So short term, I think we're looking at an ending diagonal. I think we will touch 50K. Huge psychological level, so it will make sense to touch that level. Potentially push up to 50K, potentially see a rejection, pull back to 42K, 40K, and retest this resistance flip to support before pushing a little bit higher. That's what I think is likely to about 55K. Basically complete this wave 3. Of course, the wave 3 can complete at 50K. We've done everything we need to. You can see the 161.8 fib extension is at 49.3, which is a normal target for wave 3, but they can overextend. So I do think eventually you will see that larger wave 4 that could take you all the way back to 40K, 39, 38K, and just basically create a lot of fear, give the whales another opportunity to buy before continuation up in that wave 5. But I do think that will take months. I do think at least till the halving. Could be going through that wave 4 correction, could take all the way till April. It can happen in an instant. You could see a big dump. But if we're going to move like we normally do, as you can see with this correction right here, when we peaked out, this was a bit of a smaller correction, and that took over 2 months, and then we pushed a little bit higher, and we had another lengthy correction which took 3 months. So you can see what I'm saying, that I think at least till April to the halving we could go through that wave 4 pullback. But in the short term, at least 50K pullback, maybe push a little bit higher to complete that wave 3, possibly to 50 to 55K before that larger wave 4 pullback. And the DXY is still looking to put in that right shoulder, just moving slowly. So we put in that right shoulder, we allow Bitcoin to push up and complete this wave 3. And then eventually you see that massive breakout for the DXY, and that will lead to that wave 4 pullback back towards 40K, 38K, 39K before seeing the explosion after the halving to the upside towards the previous all-time high. That's what I'm looking at for BTC. Currently we're in trades for XRP, which is in profits. We're in trades for Gala Games. We're also in trades for XRP, Gala Games, VeChain. I believe right now they're all in profit because we've been seeing that nice bounce back to the upside. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. Right now I don't have it open, but I'll open it quickly here. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders. Grab those bonuses, up to $100 for every million in trading volume till the end of the month. And then just send me an email, give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups. We're in 3 trades right now. Crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis, trade crypto, trade Forex, all in the same place, completely for free with the sign up and deposit to BITUNIX. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon, all links down below. Smash up that like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.